car overheating while idling is a common problem that affects many drivers, especially those with modern vehicles featuring complex cooling systems. When your car idles, heat builds up in the engine bay without the benefit of airflow from forward motion. This thermal image shows how heat concentrates around engine components. Modern vehicles face unique overheating challenges. Turbocharged engines generate more heat in smaller packages, while hybrid and electric vehicles have complex cooling systems managing multiple components. Now let's examine the primary causes of overheating while idling. Understanding these causes helps identify the root of the problem. The most common cause is cooling fan malfunction, accounting for 40% of cases. This includes electric fan motor failure, faulty relays or fuses, and temperature sensor problems that prevent the fan from activating. Radiator issues account for 30% of overheating cases. These include clogged radiator fins from debris, internal blockages from sediment buildup, and damaged radiator cores that reduce heat dissipation. Thermostat problems cause 15% of overheating issues. A stuck closed thermostat prevents coolant circulation, while incorrect temperature ratings or premature failure can disrupt the cooling system's operation. Water pump failure accounts for 10% of cases. This includes worn impellers that reduce circulation efficiency, bearing failures that cause pump seizure, and gasket leaks that reduce system pressure. Idling creates unique challenges for your car's cooling system. Without forward motion, there's reduced airflow through the radiator. Lower engine RPM means less efficient water pump circulation, and heat soak from engine bay components compounds the problem. When your car starts overheating while idling, quick action is critical to prevent expensive engine damage. Here are the immediate steps you must take. First, immediately turn off your air conditioning and turn your heater to maximum. This helps draw heat away from the engine and can buy you precious time. Next, if the temperature continues to rise, pull over safely within 2 to 3 minutes. Do not continue driving, as this can cause catastrophic engine damage. Once safely stopped, turn off the engine immediately and wait at least 30 minutes before checking the coolant level. Never remove the radiator cap while the engine is hot. Finally, call for professional assistance rather than attempting to drive with an overheating engine. The risk of permanent damage far outweighs any inconvenience. Prevention is always better than emergency repairs. Regular maintenance of your cooling system can save you thousands of dollars in engine damage. Check your cooling system every 30,000 miles or every 2 years. This includes inspecting hoses, checking coolant levels, and testing the radiator cap pressure. Replace your coolant according to manufacturer specifications, typically every 5 to 10 years. Modern coolants last longer, but still degrade over time and lose their protective properties. The cost difference between prevention and repair is dramatic. A coolant flush costs $100 to $200, while engine damage from overheating averages $2,847. Remember, when your car overheats while idling, act quickly but safely. Turn off the air conditioning, turn on the heater, pull over, and call for help. Regular maintenance prevents these emergencies and saves you money in the long run.